This is what I call a basket case. Check it out. 2 boxes loaded full of stuff. I'll give you a clue. It is a Honda. Do any of you know what it is at this point? Did I put it in the title? I mean, I don't know. Check this out. Another box. Oh man, this is awesome. Welcome back, subs! And if you are a newcomer, I am the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee without a doubt. And if you watch this video and you enjoy it, you like what you see, become part of our group. Leave a comment below letting everybody know that you have joined our little team here. And now down to business. What we have here is a Honda CB350. Maybe a CB Honda 350. I don't know what order you put that in. And this is 1971. And story behind this thing is, you know, a guy started to restore it and didn't finish it, passed it on to his buddy. He thought he would restore it, sat around in his garage for a long time, and now it is my task to get this thing back together and ripping down the road. Look at the beautiful seat on this thing. I didn't find any tears or rips or anything. It is a original Honda seat, looks in very good condition. The engine has fresh paint, not fresh. I mean, it was painted and now it's all dusty, you know, from sitting. You guys get the deal. And story on the engine is it has been completely overhauled, rebuilt, whatever you want to call it. And that can mean different things to different people. The frame has been painted black and it's got some scratches on it now. Like I said, sitting around, things get banged up, beat up, but still, it's not bad. What on earth is going on with these front forks? Is this a chopper of some kind? I don't think it is meant to be. I'm not sure what the heck's going on there with them forks. Check out our sprocket here. It has square teeth on the end. That thing is hardly wore. I don't know if it had been replaced or if it's just not wore. I think it may just not be wore much, meaning that this bike may not have very many miles on it. Best part of the whole deal. 3 boxes of goodies for me to sort through. Isn't that awesome? Let me give you guys just a little peek inside each one. Just the same peek I have, you know, because it's fun to look. See, look. Do you see anything in there? I'll go slowly to the next one for you. Do you see any treasures in this box? Yeah, I spotted one. And now, lastly, the third box. Do you see any treasures in this one? You know, at first glance. You guys can see this thing is in complete disarray, but I believe we can make it work. You know, it'll work for us. I'm going to unload these boxes, get it organized on the floor where you guys can have a good view on everything that came with this bike. Brand new chain guard. Awesome. Hey, hey, hey. Looky, looky. And this right here will be our guide to rebuilding this puppy. Awesome. Wait a second. Yes, wait a second. No, wrong year. This right here, guys, I like very much. I think that looks just awesome. And that is the one that will be going on this thing. I'm pretty sure unless we do a custom paint job, I don't know. So I laid a lot of the big stuff out here on the floor. I did decide not to get all the little stuff out of the boxes. But man, there is a lot of stuff here to go through. It's not a 4-cylinder, it's a 2-cylinder. There's There's 2 or 3 of everything. Look at all those fenders and turn signals. Some of them are good, some of them aren't, you know. There's the set of gauges for it. And there are parts in the boxes, I think, that don't go with this bike. So there's 4 carburetors. They could all be useless. I don't really know. There is the air box, I think, that goes with this bike. There's 2 brand new forks in this box. So that's really cool. Brand new. I mean, they got a little bit of surface rust from sitting. The tank, as I said, is awesome. This right here, these are brand new tubes for the forks. Brand new, they appear to be. You know, or I don't know what the deal, I don't know if they're, all the seals and stuff that goes with them are in that bag. So that's really cool. Look down in this box. I mean, we got headlights, wiring, there's coils in there and shocks, some more tubes for where the shocks go. You know, just all kinds of stuff. Box number 2 has all kinds of parts. There's a mirror and brakes, a beer can, Michelob Ultra. So here's another sprocket, a brand new brake line or something. Box number 3, and here's where we get into the funny stuff. I think that right there is off of a dirt bike or something, and some of these parts don't look like they go to this machine. Looks like 2 good fenders, I think. That one and that one over there. I mean, there's a couple good fenders. If they fit this bike, I think they might. Side covers, we have the tags for the side covers are actually right there. So there's the other Honda emblem. Just a whole lot of parts here to go through. I never did try to kick it over, so let's do that together and just see what happens. Hopefully she'll crank. Oh. 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 Well, it's definitely got compression. I am going to have to come up with a plan of attack on this machine here. I just cannot decide what to do because there's so many good parts here. What I'm thinking right now, what I got in my head right now, which could change at any moment, is we need to spruce up what he's got over there already, because he already started on it, cleaned up the engine, this and that, but from sitting it needs to be, you know, spruced up. I'm thinking maybe spruce all up what he has and then just start adding to it and just make this a nice bike. I might even, you know, dare say I might even paint this thing. I'm really looking forward to just jumping right in on it. I need to order a manual. I'm not well versed on CB350s or any other motorcycles, so I have to get a manual. That way I can follow it, put it all back together right. The Dodge pickup truck, the Dakota, brakes went out on it when I went to pick this up, so probably next episode or 2 we'll have to do the brakes on that, guys. And then when the manual comes in for this, we'll get started on it. Thanks for watching. I look forward to this thing, man. I'm really excited. We'll see you next time.